Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, we will speak about OPPO Reno 16 Pro, which is released maybe 1 week or 2 weeks ago in China. I went to shop, I analyzed it, I gave some points to it. Today we will speak about my points, and after that we will speak about what's information of this smartphone. Should we buy it or not? Okay, first of all, about quality and how was design. Design was normal. I liked the design. It was not very futuristic design, normal smartphone. It is mid-range smartphone, and I gave 7 out of 10 for design. And for build quality, it has aluminum frame, so I gave 7.5 out of 10. Aluminum generally is not my favorite style, but I think this material uh, can be good for some people. So I gave 7.5. In hand feelings, also I like it 7. So smoothness it was very good. You can see very fast. I tried to work fast to see it can handle it or not, and it was good. So I gave to display and smoothness for display 7.5 out of 10. Generally, Oppo's displays are very good, very powerful, and for UI I gave 7. So and also you can see features of AI and camera and everything that they showed in their smartphone. Generally, guys, if you want to buy mid-range smartphone, I always advise to buy Oppo because Oppo I think Oppo is under range smartphone. It should be more famous. Oh, sorry, I said underrate smartphone. It should be more famous smartphone. So if you want to buy one mid-range smartphone, you can buy this smartphone. Let's go a bit after I gave some points to AI, 7 to AI and innovation 6. Let's see the camera. You can see the camera in my video. Camera was good and it is lighter than Reno 16. Camera was a bit lighter and uh, better quality in 16 Pro. So for me, camera was better, and I also will show you the camera. So for main camera, I gave 7.5. For zoom quality, also I gave 8 out of 10. Uh, and for selfie, I gave 7.5. You can see quality is very good. Um, and it's not different between their video about their camera and in real life. I recorded a video to show you the shop, and after I watched that video and it was same. That means the camera was really good. In my video you can see same thing that was inside their advertising. So about selfie camera 7.5, about video recording 7.5, about speaker quality, let's after I gave point to that system, we will see what was the quality of speakers together. Let's see. I was finding the music. Okay.
打个榜怎么样？首先我们有个谢人工日记担保极限疏通。好，我们先。
It was a bit work too hard with it with Chinese language, but I think I finally found music. Yes.
定义的世界，定义的世界，超越了时间，动摇还在。如果想要传翻，他们在篝火边围观，闭上眼，向前最。季节，让我们辨认。Little divide. Yes. So I sneak out to the garden to see you. We keep quiet 'cause we're dead for you. So close your eyes. See this town for.
Okay. About quality of a speaker, maybe you can feel it. It was good, not very fantastic, but it was good for mid-range smartphone. So I gave 6.5 out of 10. And about software features, I gave 7.5. So my opinion about this smartphone, if you want to buy one mid-range smartphone, you can buy this smartphone. This smartphone is 120 euro more expensive than their normal 16 Renault 16. But if you compare it with second one, that means with Pro, when you compare it, display is bigger. And also in camera, maybe you can see that it's a big difference between colors of Renault 16 and Renault 16 Pro. I felt that quality. I think also you can see difference between them. Okay, it was my experience of these two smartphones. And let's see information on paper. So, guys, you can see here, you can see here. As I told you about build is glass front and aluminum frame. It is 205 grams, so it is near about 30 gram heavier than normal Renault 16, but I didn't feel it. Feeling in hand, it was very good. You didn't feel that it's heavy. So it has for place for two nano SIM cards, IP68 and IP69 for dust, tide, and water resistant. For display, LTPO AMOLED, 1 billion colors. You can see 3600 nits. It is very good for uh, this mid-range smartphone, and size is 6.78 inches. So it was very good for this smartphone. Platform or OS is Android 16. MediaTek is the chipset MediaTek 9500S. So it is very fantastic, very fantastic. For this price, you can have very good experience when you play the game, when you work hard. This MediaTek will support anything you need. Very powerful MediaTek. You can use of it. So for memory, it started with 256 with 12 gigabyte and just 12 gigabyte, 512 12 gigabyte, and 512 16 gigabyte. Okay, so if you want to have better experience, maybe 512 with 16 gigabyte will be fantastic with that MediaTek. They will support each other. So main camera has two 100 megapixel first wide, 215 for telephoto and ultra wide, and camera you see it's very good quality, and light you can see it is lighter than normal Renault 16. On paper information is same, but the camera is better than normal Renault 16. Okay, and for video it has 4K 30 and 60 1080. For selfie camera 50 megapixel, and it has uh, this feature for panorama camera again for 4K. 4K for mid-range smartphone is very good. So it doesn't have 3.5 millimeter jack. It's normal. And for us, USB Type C. Battery is 7,000 milliampere hour. It is very good. For maybe for 1 day hard work with that phone is enough, or gaming. And 80 watts for charging for wired, and for wireless 50. It is normal in mid-range. Both of them are normal and good. Color black, blue, and white. Price is 570 euros. So for this quality, for this MediaTek, for these options, for one mid-range smartphone, it's fantastic. So if you have this budget and you want to have very good smartphone, I really advise to buy OPPO products. And if you don't know OPPO very well, I can tell you OnePlus also is product of this company. So I can tell you this is very good company. You can buy your smartphone from this company. It was our video about OPPO Reno 16 Pro. If you have any question, please write in comment bar. Please write in comment bar which smartphone is interesting to you. I can make one video, record one video about it. And your opinion is very interesting to you, to me. So take care. Please like this video and share it with your friends. See you soon.